Hey, it's Jim Marshall here with Remax Perry's Home Muskoka Realty Limited. It's -6. It feels like Christmas, and it looks like Christmas as well. A nice blanket of snow on the ground, brisk wind blowing in from the north. It's starting to feel a lot like Christmas. So that means part 2 of my State of the Market address. I make these generally every quarter or so, and I'd like to do a wrap-up of the end of the year right around this time of the year. The other day I talked about residential. Today I'm going to talk about waterfront. Our waterfront market this year was outstanding. The best market conditions that we've seen in 10 years' time. All price ranges of cottages were in demand, from the cheaper starter cottages in the $200,000-$300,000 range right up to $1 million cottages, and everything basically in between was in high demand. The highest demand properties overall were geographically in that Parry Sound South area, Sequin Township, so lakes like Whitefish Lake, Star Lake, Clear Lake, Horseshoe Lake, Crane Lake, Blackstone Lake were in huge demand this year. Those lakes are all comfortably within 2 hours of Toronto and always in high demand. As far as what types of properties were in the highest demand this year, year-round access properties, like always, very, very high demand. South and west facing properties were in huge demand this year. We started to see a little bit more activity with some of the tougher properties like water access cottages. Sold a few really, really nice water access cottages this year, and you get really good value at those types of properties. Demographically, the waterfront market is certainly led by the baby boomers still. A lot of people in their 50s, early 60s doing early retirements, moving up here full time, looking for year-round winterized cottages that can spend the majority of the year enjoying the area up here. So those cottages, a lot of them, they're looking for higher end, some $150,000 to $1 million cottages. Those are in huge demand and very short supply this year. As were the starter cottages. Starter cottages this year, we saw a lot of the $200,000-$300,000 cottages coming up with multiple offers on them, 3, 4, 5 offers, as recently as a couple of weeks ago. One of the other changes this year demographically, like the residential market, we started seeing the young people coming back in the market. So I haven't dealt with as many 30-year-olds buying cottages ever as this year. So really nice to see. Looking forward to 2017, probably see the demand about the same as this year, maybe a little bit better, but probably about the same. Hoping we get a little bit more inventory this 2017 coming onto the market. Maybe with some of the prospective sellers of cottages start learning about the market and the market, how it's improved, will start coming to the market. But 2017 is a month away. We'll have to wait and see.